Hi, I'm Phil from Currys and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the things you can do to help us install your appliance right first time. It's easier for us to install your appliance when your property is easily accessible. If you've ordered a large appliance, we may be bringing a large van. However, if a normal bin lorry can't access your home, please let us know ahead of time as we may need to bring a smaller van. You can use the product's box dimensions to check to see if it fits through your doorway. If it doesn't fit boxed, we can still install it, but may need to unbox it outside first. On the day of installation, please ensure somebody aged 18 or over is at home and check that there is a clear pathway to where you want the product installed. For us to install your laundry appliance, the pipework and the plug socket must be within 1.5 metres of where you want the appliance installed. Please bear in mind for tumble dryers and washer dryers, additional space and connections will be required for ventilation. If you do have an old appliance, we can take it away and recycle it for you. But before we arrive, please can you ensure that you drain and empty the appliance first. If you do have a washing machine, please remember to leave it dry for a couple of days so that it doesn't leak on any of our vehicles.